Hi all, welcome to switzer.com. Now in this video we will learn about calculating the number of atoms in a body-centered unit cell. A body-centered unit cell we know has atoms at the corners. You can see here we have an atom at the 8 corners and we have one more atom inside the unit cell. As we know that atoms which are present at the corners, these are the atoms here which is present at the corner, okay, and the atom at the corner, it belongs to 8 unit cells, right? That means it is being shared by 8 unit cells, while as an atom which is inside the unit cell, it belongs to this one unit cell. It's not being shared by any other atom, any other unit cell. So we have an atom which is present inside the unit cell. That means it belongs to it completely. And now let's see how to calculate the number of atoms here. So atoms inside the unit cell is 1. Atoms at corners we have 8. But the contribution of an atom which is present at the corner is 1 by 8 of its size. Why? Because it belongs to 8 adjacent unit cells. So that's why you see here, this is the size of an atom that belongs to the 1 unit cell. This is 1/8 the size of an atom, because atom at the corner, it belongs to 8 unit cells, while as the atom which is present inside the unit cell, it belongs to it completely. So its contribution is 1. Now the total number of atoms here will be, the total number of atoms here in this case, it will be total number of atoms here in this case will be, it will be 1 plus 1, it is 2. So that means we have 2 atoms per unit cell. 2 atoms per unit cell. Now look at these diagrams here. This is the open structure, this is space filling structure. This is how atoms are actually present in a body-centered unit cell. Atoms at the corners and atoms at the center. So we have an atom at the corner, but the size, but the contribution of an atom at the corner is only 1 by 8. 1 by 8, right? We have an atom which is present inside the unit cell here. You can see this is inside, so its contribution is 1, right? We have 8 atoms at the 8 corners, so 8 times 1 by 8. This is the actual portion of atoms that belongs to the 1 unit cell. And here, this is an open structure. This open structure, we got it from the space filling structure. And here we can see all the atoms, all the 8 atoms at the corners, and 1 atom which is present inside the unit cell as well. In the open structure here, you can see a lot of space between the atoms, so which is actually kind of an exaggeration for the sake of understanding, because otherwise we will not be able to see this one, we will not be able to see this particular atom. We can't see this atom here in the space filling. Okay, so this is for the sake of understanding. Hope you got the concept. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.